Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Student, today is your lecture number 2 that is based on the topic at the zoo. Open your book, go to page number 69, take out your pencils. Your first exercise on page number 69 is put spaces between the words and rewrite into meaningful sentence. Here are some words given and from these words you have to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, the first word is IAMALION. So what will be the sentence? I am a lion. Next one is THEJEEPSBEEP. The jeeps beep. Third one is THEMOONISSHINING. So the sentence will be the moon is shining. PICKUPTHECOIN. Pick up the coin. Number fifth, THEYAREGIRLS. They are girls. Number 6, WHICHISYFAVOURITECOLOUR. So the sentence will be, which is your favorite color? Okay, student. So you have noticed that you are putting spaces between the words to make them a meaningful sentence. Okay. In all these three examples, what you have done, you just put spaces between them to make them meaningful sentences. So your next activity is word study. Let's have a look over this word: board, hoard, done, drawn, talk, walk, caught, taught. So what you have to do in your next activity, arrange the scrambled letters and find the word. Here are unscrambled words. You have to scramble them. ATF, FAT, fat. Number 2, ERD, RED, red. Number 3, OBX, BOX. Number 4, LAFL, FALL, fall. Number 5, LBLA, BALL, ball. Number 6, RCA, ARC, arc. Number 7, YRT, TRY, try. Number 8, ENH, HEN, hen. Okay, students, you have to do these two exercises on the book page number 69. Now moving to the next page, that is page number 70. Here your topic will be language structure, and what you have to do in the language structure, you have to learn how to make negative sentences. Okay? So, in your exercise A on page number 70 is read the following sentences, observe the difference and discuss with your teacher what you understand. I am going to read it now and you have to listen me carefully. I ride a bicycle. I ride a cycle. I do not ride a cycle. We go to the market. We do not go to the market. You buy a toy. You do not buy a toy. I eat fruit. I do not eat fruit. We clean our home. We do not clean our home. You swim in the pool. You do not swim in the pool. Okay, student, tell me what you have observed. That's good. We observed that the red sentence show we do an action and the blue sentences tell us we are not doing an action. Okay, the sentence that are written in red color shows that we are doing an action like I ride a cycle, we go to the market, you buy a toy, I eat fruit, we clean our home, you swim in the pool. While the sentences that are in blue color shows that we are not doing an action. I do not ride a cycle. We do not go to the market. You do not buy a toy. I do not eat fruit. We do not clean our home. You do not swim in pool. So student, what are the negative sentences? Negative sentences shows that we are not doing an action. Okay? Whatever the sentence shows that we are not doing an action, it is a negative sentence. Okay? And there is a rule with first and second person, both singular or plural. We add do not to make negative. Okay? So, do you know what is the first person or second person? First person mean the speaker. Okay? I am giving you a lecture, so I am a first person, and you are listening to me, you are second person. Okay? So, whenever you watch first person or second person being used in the sentence, what you have to put simply do not to make them negative sentence. So, here is an exercise. Let's solve it. What they are asking, it says rewrite the following sentences, making them negative. Number 1, we live in this city. We do not live in this city. That's good. Okay, now tell me, you walk on the road. What will be the negative sense of this sentence? You do not walk on the road. That's good. I run fast. I do not run fast. We meet pupil. We do not meet pupil. I play with a ball. I do not play with a ball. You read a book. You do not read a book. We smell flower. We do not smell flowers. That's great. Okay, student, you have done this exercise. Now, moving to the next page, on page number 71, here what it says, simple present tense negative sentences. Third person, singular or number. I have told you what is first person and second person. I have told you that first person mean the speaker and the second person mean the listener. Okay, so what will be the third person? Can you tell me? Yes, third person is a person about whom we are talking. That's good. So, third person singular or number, he, she, it, any name, anything. Okay? If we are talking about a person that is male, we will use he. If we are talking about a person that is female, so we will put she over there. If we are talking about non-living thing or the animals, we will use it. If we are using any name, anything, and then we say that here third person is being used. Read the following sentence carefully. He works hard. He doesn't work hard. She plays with her doll. She doesn't play with her doll. Mother clean the bedroom. Mother doesn't clean the bedroom. It rains in the morning. It doesn't rain in the morning. Ali cleans his car. Ali doesn't clean his car. Nadia comes in a bus. Nadia doesn't come in a bus. We know that with the third person, he, she, it, any name, anything, or singular number, s is added to the verb. But when we make these sentences negative, s is not added to the verb. We use doesn't to make them negative, and we do not use don't or do not. Okay? We do not add s two times in a sentence like he does not eat food. What will we do? We will write he doesn't eat food. We will not put s with the word eat. Okay? Because we never use s two times in a sentence that makes a negative sense. Did you get it? So our next sentence is Aisha does not write. Is it true or false? Yes, it is a false sentence. How it is a false sentence? It shows two s. That's good. Aisha does not write. It is a false sentence. What will be the correct sentence? Aisha does not write. There will be no s with s. Writes, okay? Because we have already used does. Why we use does? Because we are talking about a person, a third person, okay? So we will use s with does, not as with the right. And number second rules, we do not use as two time in a sentence. Like if we are using Aisha does not writes. Is it true or false? Yes, it will be false. How it will be false? Because we shouldn't use as two time in a sentence. The right sentence will be Aisha does not write. Okay, student? Moving to the next page, page number 72. Here is an exercise D. It says, fill in the blank, write the given word to make the negative sentences. She dash write with a pen. Do not or does not? Does not. Ahmed dash ride a bicycle. Does not or do not? Does not. Papa dash swim in the lake. Do not or does not? Does not. It dash rain in the morning. It doesn't rain in the morning. He doesn't. He dash drive a car. He does not drive a car. Amina dash read a storybook. Amina does not read a storybook. This flower dash smell good. This flower do not smell good. Here will be the do not, okay? So Sahara dash like candies. Sarah doesn't like candies. Third person plural they. Now we are going to talk about the third person plural they. Read the following sentence and discuss the difference of making third person singular and third person plural into the negative sentence. How will we make third person as a singular and as a plural in negative sentence? Let's have a look. Number 1, they eat food. They do not eat food. They go to the market. They do not go to the market. They run fast. They do not run fast. They like flowers. They do not like flowers. We have observed that third person plural sentences are made into negative in the same way as first and second person sentences by using do not. Okay, as we have done in first and second person, third person sentences, negative sentences will be done in the same manner, same rule, same way. Okay, did you get it? Now move to the next page, page number 73. Here is an exercise, exercise F. Rewrite the following sentences with the suitable word. She dash near the market. She lives near the market. She doesn't dash near the market. She does not live near the market. Asad dash on the wall. Asad writes on the wall. Asad doesn't dash on the wall. Asad doesn't write on the wall. He walks on the road. He does not walk on the road. They buy clothes from the market. They do not buy clothes from the market. Here, there no s will become over here. Okay, they buy clothes from the market. So number 9 is the sun dash during the day shines. Number 10, the sun doesn't shine during the night. Shine, that's good. Okay student, this is the lecture. Whatever the task I have told you, you have to do it on your book. Okay? After doing it, you have to take the picture of your book and you have to send it to me. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.